Christmas trees are great. They look beautiful, they have a purpose, you can put your presents under them, and then they do nothing. They just sit there in the corner of the room until the 1st of January, where you take them down, you either get rid of it, or compost it, or whatever you do with your tree. So they're a bit boring, and I feel like I can fix that. Using my great tech skills, I'm going to let the internet control my Christmas. So let's explain how this code works. It's really simple, and I'm going to go through this quite vaguely. If you want more detail, you should take a look at my bot series on how to make a Discord bot. But simply, first we're importing all of the functions we need. So we need time, we need the ability to control pins and boards, so we've got that. I am using the NeoPixel LED library because it's really simple to use. I have tried a few others. I don't like them as much. I'm importing Discord and random. First thing we're going to do is we're going to enable the Discord. So just sort of this part here is just to set up the Discord bot. Actually, all of this here is to set up the Discord bot. And when we turn the bot on, I get it to clear the tree of all colour, just so it's fresh out every morning. Here we have a quick just setting up LEDs. You can leave these two the same if you're planning to use them. I mean, you can change these to GRB. This is here though is the order that you want commands to be inputted in. So currently it inputs as green, red, blue. If I wanted it to be normal RGB, just change it and then done. It's really easy to change the order. And then here is the number of lights I have. So I currently have 50 lights on, so it will only send out an input, or no, it will only output controls to 50 lights. In a week, that number will be doubled to 100 lights, and then I can just change the number, 100 lights, and then it changes everywhere else. But let's leave it at 50 for now. Change it to the amount of bulbs that you have. Down here, this is me setting stuff up to use the rainbow function, just generating random positions in a slight gradient. Here then I've got each set color, so it just takes the input red, it clears the tree, and then it sets the new light, and then it forces the color. You can see this everywhere for all of the other colors. I'm not going to explain it all in one. There's a spelling mistake here. I wrote white instead of cyan. There we go, cyan. It prints out a message saying the color it is. Now rainbow, when this runs, it will receive the message rainbow. It will then do the rainbow function for a few seconds, so you get the nice flicker of lights, and then just because I have some problems with looping and it not closing, it will then just be a static rainbow afterwards. That's going to be coming soon in a future update. Follow me on Twitter and the Reddit and the Discord, one of them, to find out more. Here we have light. This allows you to set a custom bulb, set a custom light. So you can import XYZ as your RGB values, and then it will change it. Here you can set custom pixels, so you input the pixel number, and then the light value, and it changes. And then here is just like my template code to make sure the bot's alive. And then there is the running code. This just literally, that's your token you get from your developer portal. That's a really quick rundown. To use this bot, you must be a part of my Discord. I am not giving out the invite link for the lights bot. That will be in the description. So now, why don't we watch this work? So, in true Micromedia Group fashion, I haven't planned this part of the video. As you can see, commands are being typed in, and the lights are changing. I realise they're not in sync before someone tells me that in the comments. That's because I only have 2 sets of hands and I needed at least 4, so I had to get someone else to do the typing and film it at a different date. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a good Christmas, and if you want to ruin my Christmas, join the Discord server, have fun, type some commands in. It might annoy me a bit, but it'll be worth it. And this is the first video I have ever spent money on, so if you really did enjoy this, I'd appreciate it if you could get me a hot chocolate. Merry Christmas and have a happy New Year.